Most Ford key fobs require a CR2032 battery, which lasts between 1 and 3 years depending on usage. To begin, gather a small flathead screwdriver or coin and a new CR2032 battery. First, power off your vehicle and remove the key fob from your keyring. Carefully locate the seam on the fob where the two halves meet. Using your tool, gently pry the two halves apart. Take care to avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic or damaging internal components. Note that some newer Ford models, like certain Explorer versions, feature snap-open cases that make this process even easier. Once the case is open, locate the battery compartment. The old battery is usually held in place by a clip or spring. Note the battery's orientation, with the positive side typically facing up, and pop it out. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's oriented correctly with the positive side up. Then align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it's working. If the fob is from a 2022 or newer model, you might need to reprogram it using the Ford Pass app after the battery replacement.